Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
So it was time to update my husband's wardrobe a little bit, and we are so pleased with this gorgeous sweater. I personally love this light blue color. It comes in many different colors for you to choose from, but this one looks so good on him and it matches his eyes. We are both impressed with the quality of this sweater. The stitching is nice and strong. We like that the fabric is soft and not itchy because that would drive him insane. It's also pretty lightweight, so it's going to be perfect for spring. We also love how versatile this can be. He can wear it to work with a pair of jeans, or he can dress it up with a pair of khakis and dress pants for date night or Bible study. Look how good this sweater looks with a tie. My husband wears ties a lot and comfort is extremely important to him. So we decided to size up in this sweater and we're very glad that we did. This is comfortable and durable and he can wear it all day long with or without a tie. So if you're ready to update your husband's wardrobe with a beautiful sweater, then I highly recommend this one.
And that's my point of view.